Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Now, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share the video, I'd appreciate it, and feel free to leave any comments down below. Now, in order to create a thumbnail just like this one that I have here, I don't usually use thumbnails, but I thought I have to use them in order to attract more visitors to my videos. Okay, so it's a good idea always to create a pretty good looking thumbnail. Okay, people use different platforms to do it, Photoshop even, but I like to use Canva. Now, I'm not gonna go through how Canva works because on this video I'm gonna focus only on how you can create a thumbnail using Canva as a free member. Okay, I'm not gonna leave any referral link on the description of this video because to apply for affiliate on Canva you gotta fulfill some criteria that I don't. So you can always Google it or Bing it. Just type Canva, enter, and there you go, canva.com. Alright, this is the logo. Okay, so it's 100% free to join. I suggest you can use you sign up for free and use it as a free member, but also you can try the 30 days free trial. Okay, and it's absolutely money back guaranteed. Actually, Canva's admin will send you an email to remind you that your free trial is about to expire and you can cancel it at any time. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into creating the thumbnail. Now, for this video, I'm gonna get an example as if I have a YouTube channel for bodybuilding or fitness, or just for working at home without going to the gym, something like that. Okay, and today's video is gonna be about a 10-minute workout at home that will lower your body fat from this point to this point if you do it every day for 6 weeks, blah blah blah, alright, etc. So the thumbnail that I want to create, it's gotta be related to the content of the video. Okay, otherwise it will confuse your audience. If you put a thumbnail that it's not related to the video, when a visitor clicks on it will be confused and probably will not click again your videos when he or she encounters them on YouTube. Okay, so make sure that the thumbnail you create is related to the content of your video. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna create a video today, supposedly, that of a 10-minute workout at home to lower your body fat. Okay, so what I want to do is go here, create a design. Now Canva has a lot of templates also as a free member. Okay, so you just search here, or you can type it here, and if you scroll down, there you go, YouTube thumbnail. It's already the size, it's already for a thumbnail. Okay, now here is where you can find a lot of photos, elements, text, you can upload your own photo, etc. A lot of templates that you can use. Now, when YouTubers create a thumbnail, usually they also upload and put a picture of themselves or a pose they took during the recording of the video. But as you've noticed, I don't record myself, so I'm just gonna use a template from Canva. Okay, but if you do record yourself, you can, at the end of the recording, before stopping it, you can take some poses to point something, and then you can design it here and edit it here. Okay, so like I said, I don't record myself, so I'm gonna just go with Canva's template. Alright, so I'm gonna search for the keyword of fitness or bodybuilding, or depending. So I'm gonna search for the fitness. Now, if you notice here, this crown icon here, it says Pro. That's because actually currently I am not a Pro member because I canceled my free trial. I tried it and it's absolutely excellent, okay? But I'm gonna use that there is this one, okay, already made for me. I'm just gonna change the text, or if it has something else that it doesn't go with my video or with my channel or just with me, doesn't fit, okay? So tone your body, that's perfect. Apartment friendly, no jumps, okay, that's perfect as well. But I'm gonna remove this because I don't wanna overdo it, okay? And by the way, I suggest you don't overdo it too, because when someone searches your video on YouTube, they don't want to see a thumbnail with a lot of text, a lot of images where they can tell anything out of it, okay? That is not too attractive. Alright, so like I said, the video that I supposedly recorded today is a 10-minute full body routine, okay? So let's just change this to 1 minute full body and this workout to routine, sorry. Okay, now if you want, you can move it you can move it up, down, in the middle, wherever you like it, okay? I'm just gonna leave it here, all right? And Canva, as you can see, these lines that appears when you move something, Canva helps you determine the limits of the thumbnail, or if it's in the middle, or it's up, or it's down, etc. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it here. Alright, so I think for the purpose of my video this is absolutely perfect, okay? And what you're gonna do then is gonna go here, download. Now, sorry, you can also change the text and its color here. Just click here on the text and you can also change it, but I'm gonna leave it like this to keep it simple for this video, okay? And like I said, if you record yourself, and if you do a video like this, obviously you are recording yourself, so this one can be you, this one can be a frame from your video, a picture from your video, okay? So make sure before you end your recording to take some poses while keeping in mind the thumbnail that you want to create, okay? Now once you created it, you should click here, download, and you can download it as a PNG, which is a lot larger size than a JPG, but there are a lot of other different options. SVG, I don't know what this is only a pro feature, okay? So I'm gonna go with JPG, okay? And click on download. Now if you intend to use Canva regularly, you might as well tick this button here to save your downloads, but since I use Canva for a lot of other things, I don't save the settings, so I do it manually every time I download something, okay? So you just click on download, then you download it on your desktop folder, file, whatever, okay? And then when you upload a video on your YouTube channel, you can choose to upload your thumbnail that you created. Now these last 3 videos I created the thumbnails with Canva, which are shown also here, okay? So I created this one first, I didn't like it, I changed it, I created it again, this one, this one, this one, I thought to make it funny, okay? And by the way, you can also make a funny text, you can write something funny that will attract more attention, okay? So this is basically it, guys. The steps are quite simple, okay? Sorry about that. So you should go to create a design, search for YouTube thumbnail, okay? If you have your own picture, you can upload it here. Go to uploads, click upload media, find your picture, wait until it loads here, and then you click on that picture. And keep in mind that if it shows like this on this size, you can use these arrows here to resize it until it goes the size of the thumbnail, okay? Because if you leave it here, it will look also like this on YouTube. This part will be white, this part will be your thumbnail, okay? When you upload something, be sure to resize it to the size of the blank page, okay, because this is the template size of a thumbnail. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, like the video, feel free to leave any comments down below. I appreciate it. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Cheers.